Indian Premier League 2026 Gujarat vs Rajasthan match number 52 both team best playing 11 and match details. Date 9th May, time 7:30 pm, venue Jaipur Cricket Stadium. GT best playing 11. Number 1 Sai Sudarshan, number 2 Shubman Gill, number 3 Josh Butler, number 4 Washington Sundar, number 5 Rahul Tewatia, number 6 Jason Holder, number 7 Arshad Khan, number 8 Rashid Khan, number 9 Kagiso Rabada, number 10 Mohammad Shiraz, number 11 Proshit Krishna. RR playing 11. Number 1 Vaibhav Suryavanshi, number 2 Yashasvi Jaiswal, number 3 Dhruv Jurel, number 4 Riyan Parag, number 5 Shimron Hetmeyer, number 6 Donovan Ferreira, number 7 Ravindra Jadeja, number 8 Nandre Bargar, number 9 Jofra Archer, number 10 Ravi Bishnoi, number 11 Tushar Deshpande,